Alright everyone, here we are with ticker symbol Nmtr, 9Meters Biopharma Inc. And before we jump into this chart, I want to say welcome to all the first time viewers and investors. Welcome to the channel, Invest for Tomorrow. To all the subscribers, welcome back. And for those of you that aren't aware, the link to my Twitter, which I created it not too long ago, is down below in the description, so you guys can join me there on Twitter. I will be posting soon, and I will post information about different stocks, things that are going on in the market, and you guys can go ahead and get notified and can retweet it, comment down below, or you'll see the tweets that I'll be posting, and also posting videos that you guys might not get the notifications here on YouTube, because YouTube only allows notifications for 3 videos, and I usually do 5+ videos according to all the different stock chart analysis, so you guys don't miss a single one. And you guys can retweet it and share it with your friends and community as well by the click of a button. But let's jump in here on Nmtr. 9Meters Biopharma Inc. actually focuses on biotechnology that actually creates medicine for autoimmune inflammatory disease. Like, that's their main focus. Now, there was a recent studies and stuff that you can find more information on. I mean, news is found by the click of a button. But I actually wanted to mention this one because it came up on my screener. And the funny thing is, it landed right next to Bngo. And this is not my screener. I actually use a more in-depth, detailed one. But here we are with Bngo landing right on top of Nmtr. And the first thing that came to my mind, because it's like the top 10 stocks traded today based off of volume so far. But the first thing that came to my mind early in the morning when I saw this, and I was trying to get a little bit more information on it, and look where we're at now, is this could be the next Bngo. And we need to see, because it's had such a run and it hasn't had a pullback. It's starting its first red candlestick of the day almost. It's struggling and fighting there. We need to see if it kind of just levels off and doesn't just dip, because we still have a few hours in the market. So we need to watch it carefully. But I believe that this stock has potential and has room. I mean, it's already hit up to 176. We're going to have to see how it does moving forward. But this could be the next Bngo. It's running from 80 cents all the way to level off at 150. It can kind of consolidate and continue this run moving forward. Now, one of the biggest things driving this stock right now is the fact that today is the day after this was posted, and they stated here, one of the most well-known research analysts, William Blair, I guess, on analyst ratings, went ahead and put the stock is a buy and target price of $5. Other analysts are doing as well. So I was reading through here. It's pretty amazing to see all this information on how the whole entire analysis ratings is having a positive effect on the stock. Now, they're putting a $5 price target, and when you do more research on this company and you find different articles, they have some innovations moving forward towards the middle of this year that's going to have a positive effect on the stock, and that's why these analyses are very bullish. Now, when you come here to tip ranks, they have 4 that are saying it's a buy. Now, you need to be careful who these analysts are, who are these raters are, but one of them is showing 5. The midway point is showing 4.33, and the low is $3. Regardless of how you look at it, they're all higher than where we're currently at. This could be the next Bngo. We need to watch it carefully moving forward. I'm going to do a full analysis later today, but I did want to announce a stock that could be the next Bngo, because biopharma technology right now is a big deal. Genomics and biotech is a big deal right now. They're being explosive, and these penny stocks are coming out of nowhere. So this one ran up already plus $1. It kind of leveled off here, right, at this area, which we'll talk about later in the technical analysis in the video, if I have the chance to add it to today's videos. But for right now, I want you guys to be aware. I'm not here to tell you guys to buy, sell, or hold, but put this on your watch list. This is definitely one to watch moving into tomorrow, depending on how this pulls back. or how this levels off. I mean, there's still a few hours left of the market and plus after hours, but we need to see, as long as this holds up above the 50-day moving average and doesn't break through these supports down here, I think there's some potential here for this to bounce up again and continue its run and start that Bngo effect. So put this on your radar, do your due diligence, do your research, look up more information on this stock, look up articles. But right now, I just wanted to jump on what analysis ratings are saying and why the stock is up today. The stock has ran up from yesterday to today due to the fact of these analyst ratings, as well as articles coming out about the innovations in technology about this biotech moving forward. As always, if you found this video helpful and informative, please do so and subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell to turn on all notifications and not miss a single video that I post. Share this with your friends and community, and don't forget to hit the like button to let me know you watch this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money. At the end of this video, there's going to be a pop-up video, and in that video, I will be discussing about the S&P 500 index and how it's been rising several points on scheduled dates. As you see here on the graph, these circles are the dates that the pumps have happened, and I use them as examples to show you guys how much the stocks have risen and the S&P 500 index rose on those dates. And the reason why it's rising is due to the fact that the Federal Reserve is pumping the markets. On these dates, the charts and the dates speak for themselves, as we can see it here, and I break it down into more detail in the video. But just to summarize it, on these dates, the S&P 500 rises, and there's individual ticker symbols rising up with it, anywhere from 30 cents to $3 per share. I know it may not seem like a lot, but per share that does add up, and these individual ticker symbols are giving you back profits. These are profits, and like I always say, profits are profits. Whether it's $1 put into the market and you get back $2, you've put in an initial investment and you got back more than what you started with. That's what it's all about. And also in the video, I go into further detail showing you guys these dates and showing you how much it rose. Like, for example, this was one of the last pump dates, and the lowest point that it reached was down here at 35.11, and the highest point reached was 35.57. That's like a 40-point jump. And here we're seeing the same thing. It went down to 35.88, and it rose up to about, I'd say, let's see, this is all still in the same day. It rose up to about a total amount of 36.23. When you do the math, that's almost a 40 to 50 point jump, and there's individual ticker symbols rising up with this. Now, I'm not there to guarantee you profits. I'm not there to tell you to buy, sell, or hold anything in particular. I'm just here to inform every single investor on the great news, on the opportunity to maximize profits and minimize losses. You have to do your due diligence and research, but these charts and the dates speak for themselves. I mean, this was probably one of the largest jumps that I've seen in the last couple of pumps, and it was down here at 33.02, and it rose up to about 33.88. That was an 80-point jump. There was probably ticker symbols rising up more than $3 per share on those dates. And even on these dates, there's individual ticker symbols rising more than $3 per share. Check it out, see for yourselves, and my best advice is look for ticker symbols that may be resembling the behavior of the S&P 500 index, and you'll be able to go ahead and give it a shot. Check it out. Again, I'm not there to tell you to buy, sell, or hold anything in particular. I'm not there to guarantee you profits. I'm just here to go ahead and share the information along with every single viewer and investor. The video should be popping up soon. If you haven't seen it already, pop up. There is the link down below in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.